Oh, frick. Hey guys, welcome to my next video. Subscribe to Nox VR, which is me. And then you will get this flag, totally. Okay, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and watch till the end.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh. Okay, where's everyone now? I'm in the same server as C as the last video I think I posted might. So let's just join an infection match. Oh, we are an infection. So let's just join this. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's leave this code. Guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I really want you. Yo! Let's write a different code real quick. Let's join a real code now. Oh, frick. Oh, man, it's gone.
Stupid up.
There's not do infection. Actually, a lot of the toxic kids like to do that. Which I don't like toxic kids. If you're a subscriber and you're toxic, I don't care. Just whenever you're in my servers, don't be toxic, please. I'm not gonna be mad at you. So yeah, and I want to keep my subscribers. I don't want to lose any. And yeah, I'm not trying to be mean to you or anything. I mean, some of you kind of annoying. I won't say who can be, but not specific.
How about you take him to Tanya?
Alright, guys. I'm gonna try to get to here. Yo, where'd the fly go, though?
Hey! He's right here. He's right
Bro!
here. Let him go. Let him go. Yeah. I'll bring him back down here. Oh, wait, what?
No, you're supposed to go like that. And then he can go somewhere else, look. Bro! Shark! Oh, he's real. He's real.
Oh my god.
Nah, bro, he's fake.
Ban me.
Fake me. Ban me. If I get banned, I'm actually gonna be scared. Okay. Faker, bro, you're fake. Yeah, you have that mod, but you can't do any of it.
Oh, you wanna get ahead?
Ban me if you're real. Bro, he's fake. He has a color, so he plays in real life. He has a voice. Oh frick, I messed up. He's fake.
Run. Wait. No,
He's so real. No, he is real. Ban me then. Bro, all he's doing is this. So and then just walking in real life with lag. Or he's just laggy. His internet's from freaking you. You're fake. Ban me. Where'd he just go? Guys, he's banning me! Oh my gosh, he's so scary. Yo, guys, look. Oh, frick, I fell. Save me. This is a good place to, like, juke people. Like, you can go like this. That. Go in the water and they won't ever get you. And you could just go to the bottom like that. Oh, frick. And if you mess that up, you're just dead at the point. Unless if they're like new and their name is Gorilla54321169. No, I can't. Can't wait to get out of here. No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. Way too bad. Out of here. Way too good. Out of here. Way too good. Out of here. Way too good. Out of here. I see you. Way too good. Oh, wait, I'm just gonna pause this. Way too good. Out of here. Way too good. Out of here. See you at the movie. See you at the lipstick. Okay, so let's just don't mind that. I was kind of annoying. Oh my gosh, I swear I just saw something. I'm leaving. I swear I just saw something. Guys, where are you? I swear I just saw something. Your mom.
What did you see though?
Bro, I literally saw a statue. Oh my gosh, it's so real.
Then let me go see
You're a
him.
liar.
Let's go see him.
He's a liar, bro.
Yeah, they're all dumb. Why'd just be statue in this server? Except for the real babies. They won't even take a chance. They'll just leave this cup. Oh yeah, like I said, you could just practice here. Your wall running. While you're going up.
Hey,
Or you could just do this. It's easier. Start right here. Just get up.
oh, hello.
I'm too good.
No.
I see you. We. You are my enemy. My enemy. You are my enemy. So fast. If you play here, you're good. Okay, I don't know what I. Oh no! I'm drowning. Oh, it saved me. It saved me, guys. If you want to save me from that, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, then. Don't forget to come to. Oh, thank you. You liked and subscribed.
No.
What the heck was that?
Oh my god, he's in this.
Do that again, bro. I loved it. You're famous. Yo, guys, this is how to kind of get out of the map. So, look. Oh, frick, I'm dead. Oh. So just get up to here. You want to kind of get up there. Don't go too far. Just go like this on above. You can kind of go like that.
Whoa, that's it.
Oh, frick, I messed up again.
No.
Alright, I got this. Frick! No, it's slippery!
Whoa.
Frick. And you can reach it. It's really easy. I have done it like 2 billion times. I don't know why it's not working right now. I see who you are. You are my enemy. You just fell.
No. No, I didn't.
I see who you are. Guys, I'm in the Great Lakes. Oh, what the heck just happened, guys? Guys, I found something Lemming can't patch. Guys, I found something Lemming can't patch. Too much gravity underwater. Dang, bro. Lemming cannot patch this. It works over here, but not over here. Look, I'll just fall. So Lemming, I own this glitch. No, whatever. Wait, doesn't that mean if you're like, I own that glitch now. I got it on camera. I just figured it out. Keep on hitting my controls, bro. Oh no! I hate that noise. It's satisfying, you know, but I'm not a fan of it. I see. I don't know why I did that. Oh, I don't like that noise. It doesn't sound like seaweed. I don't know why I said seaweed. Help. Oh. John? Bro, why are you playing fart noises during my video? Damn, bro. Probably not even gonna hear it. John, bro. John, stop! Huh. John. Ooh, wait, guys, look. Once you get on here, look how high you can go. Wait, I'm gonna go with this. Oh, frick. I see. Frick. Bro. And she said, bro, I'm finding cool tricks you can do in this place. Look, I'm a. Oh, fuck. That's fun. Oh, no! Help. Please. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Gorilla Tag. God. Thank you. Dead monkey. Guys, our Gorilla Tag savior is here. Dem monkey. His name is Dem monkey. And we are the monkeys in Gorilla Tag. No, he is the gorilla. And we're all the monkeys. Because you know how Gorilla Tag, nothing racist by the way. Because people, I mean, guys, our Gorilla Tag savior is here. De Gorilla. We are all the kids. And our names are. So we got De Gorilla, De Monkey. We are De Monkey. I am De Monkey. Is it raining? Guys, it's kind of cold after that water. It's cold. Oh, that feels Yo, guys, I'm so good. Hey, you're doing a lag. I'm gonna ban you with my stick.
Oh, hello, person. Watch this. What you trying to do? Fist bump?
Oh, mommy. Hi, mommy.
No, don't touch.
Hey, mommy.
Hi. It's raining.
Guys, look, it's mommy. Come here, mommy.
Wow, amazing.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Like I haven't been in this thing before.
Ha! Alright. What is your username, mommy?
Because can I put it as mommy?
I'll give you 7,000 V-Bucks.
Nice, where's daddy? Ow! You have. I see. And child number 1 and child number 2.
Hey, does anyone know what 1 plus 1
And child number 3 and child number 1 billion and trillion. Oh my gosh, how many? Oh, I see. Oh, you are my enemy, sperm. You are my enemy.
Watch this. Oh, trick shot. Oh,
Guys,
that
I'm
was
so
a trick
pro.
shot.
Wait, guys, there's something up there. Oh my gosh.
Up where?
Oh, frick. Oh, frick.
T-Bro, up where?
There. There is nothing, guys.
There's nothing up.
You guys just got pranked. Rick roll. My legs were my
Oh
legs.
my
I
god,
can't.
bro, that's the funniest thing I've heard in a decade.
I know, right, bro? If you guys can do ropes better than me, you're not good at Gorilla Tag. So yeah. What? But you can't do that. Excuse me. Bet, bro. So good. Look what I just did, bro. I'm the best at it. Why should I ever tell you, man? Help. Oh, help. Land. I'm going away now. You know what? Just come over here. Land, come on, man. It's like you hit. Just go to the bottom already. I think you are. Hurry up, bro. I want to get to land. Oh, finally. Alright. Let's go to Mir now. Whenever we go to Mir, guys, something bad's about to happen.
Has anyone ever heard of a barometer?
What? You're... Huh? Thermometer, yeah. Thermometer, what? Don't make it inappropriate. I'm making a YouTube video. I don't want to restart. Let me see who you want. Alright, guys. Hope you... I hate this water, bro. It's so slow.
Water is so nice.
I mean, it feels refreshing. Wish I could just swim faster. Some people are really good at it. But it's like a real life, so yeah. Makes sense, Lemming. Unless with like the new kids play it. They're like, how do I use the joysticks? I mean, who did not try that when they were young girl attack the first time, like, what? The joysticks aren't working. Mom, can you help me? Okay, guys. I always have to do that, sorry. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Hope you watch the end. Okay, so subscribe.